with Ukraine's drone army having two primary attack drones, one which drops fairly small grenades which are perfect for a stationary, often abandoned vehicle, being able to hit the open hatches with pinpoint accuracy, and the other is the FPV drone, being able to strike and penetrate the armor on moving objects. With tanks holding a lot more armor, the end result is often an immobilized tank, but with the right hit, the result can be much more explosive, as the warhead can penetrate the much thinner armor on the top back section, causing all of the ammunition to blow up, reducing Russia's tank force, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.